Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to do a really quick cleaning here in the kitchen. Sorry for the weird voice. It is 8:40. I woke up about an hour ago, 45 minutes ago, but I was up until 2:30 in the morning trying to get today's video to upload. And then I came down to this mess. Let me show you. It's not a big deal because we didn't do dishes yesterday. It was Sunday, but I kind of came down to this mess. So it's my fault yesterday for not doing them, and we're gonna get cleaning today. It is already probably 70 degrees outside and it's supposed to be 90 degrees. So I need to hurry and get these dishes done so that I can shut all my lights and all my windows and kind of trap the cold air in. So we're just gonna quickly clean. The kids are right here. Ashley, you wanna say hi? They are right here and they are going to get their chores done. Okay, let's go. Let's clean.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I'll stay. I'll stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. I feel it again. I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I'll stay. I'll stay, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left.
Today I went ahead and cleaned my own counters for my daughter, and then I also swept the floors for my oldest daughter, when normally I would get them up and going on their chores. Today I just needed the room clean, and I need to get out of here soon, so I just wanted to get it done. Plus it's getting really hot around here, and I just want, like I said, I just wanted it done. But they're not going to get out of chores. What they're going to discover when they wake up, here's some sugar that was on a chair if you hadn't noticed that. What they're going to know when they get up today is that they're going to do 2 new chores for just today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Come back for more by subscribing and clicking on that little bell so that you can come and watch more of my videos. Take care, guys. Bye.